Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to enable notifications for group requests on the Instagram app using your PC, so you never miss an invitation to join a group or community conversation. With the latest Instagram update, the process has become even more straightforward. Just a few clicks, and you'll be all set. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the main Instagram page, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon. It's usually located towards the bottom of the menu. After clicking your profile icon, a new set of options will appear. Find and select the option labeled Notifications. This is your control center for all the alerts you receive from Instagram, making sure you're always up to date with your activity. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of different notification types. What you're looking for is Push Notifications. Click on this option to enter the detailed notification settings. Push notifications are what keep you informed in real time, so this is the key area for managing your Instagram alerts. Now scroll through the push notification settings until you find the section called Group Requests. This feature controls whether you'll receive alerts when someone invites you to join a group on Instagram. To enable these notifications, simply choose On. That's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for group requests on Instagram using your PC. From now on, you'll get notified whenever someone sends you a group invitation, making it easier to connect, collaborate, and stay active within your favorite communities. If you want to make sure you never miss any group activity, this setting is essential. Enjoy staying connected and making the most out of your Instagram experience on desktop.